Assalamualaikum YouTube viewers. The topic of today's video is the difference between isotopes, isobar and isotones. So in this video I'm going to explain the difference between isotopes, isobars and isotones. Okay, so first of all you need to know what are the isotopes. So isotopes are the atoms with the same number of protons and different number of neutrons. So as you can see here, I have isotopes of carbon. Carbon 12 has 6 protons, 6 neutron, whereas carbon 13 has 6 protons, 7 neutron, carbon 14 has 6 proton and 8 neutron. So isotopes are the atoms of the same element. Okay, it is actually the isotopes are actually the atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number but different atomic mass. Or I can say that has the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So that is the isotope. So moving on towards the isobars. Okay, isobars. What are isobars? Isobars have the same mass number. Okay, these are actually the atoms of different elements that have the same mass number. That is, the total number of protons and neutrons are same, but they have different atomic numbers. So as you can see here, that argon, krypton, and calcium. Okay, these three atoms have the same mass number, 40, 40, and 40, but different number of protons. Okay, but different number of protons. As you can see here, that number of protons is 18, here it is 19, and here it is 20. Okay, so isobars are those elements that have same atomic mass but different atomic number. Okay, so moving on towards the isotones. So the last thing we have is isotones. So what are isotones? The isotones are actually the two nuclides or isotones if they have the same neutron number but different proton number. So isotones are those that have same neutron number but different proton number. So as you can see here in oxygen, 16 by 8 oxygen, you can see that number of protons are 8, number of neutrons are again 8. Okay, you know how to find the number of neutrons and protons. We have to subtract atomic number from atomic mass. As you can see, the atomic mass of the oxygen is 16, whereas atomic number of the oxygen is 8. So subtracting atomic mass and atomic number, 16 minus 8 gives me an answer neutron number 8. Okay, and nitrogen, as you can see here, nitrogen has atomic mass of 15 and atomic number of 7. So if I subtract 15 from 7, I get number of neutrons again 8, and this 7 is the number of protons. So proton number is 7. And if I talk about carbon here, carbon has atomic number 6 and mass number 14. 14 minus 6, I get a number of neutrons 8. Okay, and protons are again 6. So as you can see here, that number of neutrons of different elements are same but number of protons are different. So I can say that isotones are those elements that have the same number of neutrons but different number of protons. So that was our isotopes, isobars and isotones. Okay, so see you inshallah in the next video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.